In this lesson, we will explain the benefits of using a capo and show you how to use one. Some songs are written in a key that's either too high or too low for a singer's voice. Using a capo, it allows us to change the key to suit the singer's voice, while using the same chords as before. There are different types of capos, but the type that we are going to look at is the spring type capo. Let's use the song Mary Had a Little Lamb to hear how a capo changes the key of a song. Let's strum the first chord of Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is the chord D, without using a capo. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. Now, pick up your capo and place it on the first fret. Making sure not to touch the metal strip that separates the frets. Also make sure that the capo is pressed down on all the strings and that it looks straight. Now that your capo is on the first fret, we move all our fingers up 1 fret. Now let's play the chord D together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. And now let's play the first chord of Mary Had a Little Lamb again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. And you can hear that the pitch is higher. Now let's move our capo onto the second fret. And again, move our fingers up another fret. Now let's play the chord D together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. And now let's play the first chord of Mary Had a Little Lamb again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb. And you can hear that the pitch is even higher still compared to the last time. So by moving the capo around, you can find a pitch or key that suits your voice best.